Welcome to my channel. Wavlink Wi-Fi Extender setup using wifi.wavlink.com. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Connect your Wavlink extender to a power outlet. Wait for the power and Wi-Fi LEDs to turn on. Step 2. Connect to the Wavlink extender's network. On your computer, phone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the network, WAVLINKN or Wavlink 4X, check device label. Step 3. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type http://wifi.wavlink.com. Step 4. Log in to the admin portal. Default username, admin. Default password, admin, or check your device label, click Login. Step 5. Select Repeater, Extender Mode. Choose Repeater Mode to extend your Wi-Fi. The extender will scan for nearby wireless networks. Step 6. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Select your 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz home network. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Step 7. Reconnect and relocate. After setup, connect your phone, laptop to the new extended network. Move the extender halfway between your router and weak Wi-Fi area. Confirm LED signal strength, green equals good. For instant help call, 1-800-915-5645.